morning all of you. I welcome all of you to this session 2022 and 23 session. Today I am really immensely happy after getting all of you in this campus after 2 years. No doubt we all suffered a lot in this pandemic situation, and I was feeling very sorry as I was not able to see you all physically. Today we will enjoy a lot, we will play over here, we will dance, and very little study will be there today. Just for you all, only rhymes. Allah, are you ready to sing with me? I will be singing, I will be dancing with you all. Wish you all the best, enjoy your day, and I am always there with you. And one more thing to the parents, you all are respected for me. Your cooperation in all this regard is highly appreciable. You also sometimes come to the school, see the scenario of our school, how we are maintaining, how we are doing all those things. Thank you all. Hope for the best and anticipate the same thing from you all always. Thank you. God bless you.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
ଆମେ ହେଲେ ଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠ ଜୀବ ମଣିଷ। କାହିଁକି ନା ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛେ, ଆମ ଭାବନାକୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ପାଖରେ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରିପାରୁଛେ। ତେଣୁ ଜୀବନରେ କ'ଣ କରିବା, କ'ଣ କଲେ ଖାଲି ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ହେଇଥିଲେ ଖାଲି ବଡ଼ ମଣିଷ। ଏମିତି ଦିନକୁ ଦିନ ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଗୋପବନ୍ଧୁ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଥାଏ, ପାଠ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲେ। ଏଭଳି କିଛି କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ କଲେ ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଜାତିର ପିତା ଉତ୍କଳ ମଣି। ଏଇ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ତମେ କାଲି ତମେ ସବୁ ମହାଜନ, ତୁମେ ତୁମର ବିଦ୍ୟା ଦ୍ୱାରା ସମଗ୍ର ଜଗତ ସହିତ ଜଡ଼ିତ। ତମ ଭିତରେ କିଏ ଡାକ୍ତର ହେବ, କିଏ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ହେବ, କିଏ ରାଜନେତା ହେବ, ସମସ୍ତେ ନିଜର କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସଦାବେଳେ ଏ ଦେଶର ଉନ୍ନତି କରିବ। ଯେମିତି ଆଜି ତମେ ଚାହୁଁଛ, ମୁଣ୍ଡ ହଲଉଛ, ତମମାନେ ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜୀବମାନେ ଏ କଥା ଜାଣିପାରୁଛ। ଯିଏ ଜାଣିପାରନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ବୁଝିପାରନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛୁ ମଣିଷ, ଖାଲି ଯେ ମଣିଷ ହେଇକି ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଗଲେ ଆମେ ମଣିଷ ହେବା ତା ନୁହେଁ। ଆମ ପାଖରେ ବିଚାର କରିବାର ଶକ୍ତି, କ'ଣ କରିବା ଉଚିତ, କ'ଣ କରିବା ଅନୁଚିତ, ଏଇଭଳି କଥାକୁ ଆମେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରୁଛୁ। ତ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଥିବ ଗାନ୍ଧୀଜୀଙ୍କ କଥା, ସେ କେମିତି ସତ କରିବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ, କେବେ ମିଛ କହୁନଥିଲେ। ସେଇ ସତକୁ ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେ ଭଲ ମଣିଷ କରିଥିଲା। ସାଧାରଣ ଦିନେଶ ଜାତିର ପିତା ମହାମାନବ ମୋହନ ଦାସ କରମଚାନ୍ଦ ଗାନ୍ଧୀଙ୍କ ପରିଚୟ। ତମର ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏଟ୍ ଥିଲେ, ସ୍କୁଲରେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲେ, ଥରେ ନିରୀକ୍ଷକ ଆସିଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ କିଛି ଡାକୁଥିଲେ ଶବ୍ଦ, ଗୋଟେ ଡିଟେକ୍ସନ୍ କୁହାଯାଏ। ସେ ଶବ୍ଦଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଲେଖାଯାଏ। ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ତ ସେତେ ଭଲ ଛାତ୍ର ବହି ଚତୁର୍ଥ ପଞ୍ଚମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲେ, ସେ ଶବ୍ଦକୁ ଭୁଲେଇଥିଲେ। ପରୀକ୍ଷକ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି, ନିରୀକ୍ଷକ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି, ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭଲରେ କରିବେ, ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଶୈକ୍ଷିକ ବାତାବରଣ ସଂଶୋଧନ ପାଇଁ କଟୁକ୍ତି କୁହାଯିବ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅପମାନ ଲାଗିବ। ତେଣୁ ସେଇ ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେ ଆସି ସେ ପିଲାଟି କି କହିଲେ ପାଖ ପିଲାର ଲେଖାକୁ ଦେଖି ସଂଶୋଧନ କଲେ। ତୁମରି ବୟସ ସେ ସଂଶୋଧନ କରି ସେମିତି ରହିଲେ ଏବଂ ପର ସମୟରେ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଥିଲେ, ସେ ସେଇଠି କହିଥିଲା ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ପଢ଼ିଲା ବେଳେ ମୋତେ କହିଥିଲେ ପରା କପି କରିବା ମହାପାପ। ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ଏଇ କଥା କହନ୍ତୁନି, କେମିତି କପି କରିଥାଏ। ବିନୟରେ କହିଲା ପିଲାଟି କପି କରିବା ଅପରାଧ। ମୁଁ କପି କରିବାଟା ପାପ ମଧ୍ୟ ଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠ ପାପ, ଏଭଳି ପାପ ନ କରିଥାଏ। ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଉ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କରି ଆଜିର ଏଥିରେ ରହୁଛି।
School, attention! And join your hands, close your eyes, start the morning prayer. teachers. I will take question for the class. Good morning, teachers.
Good morning, teachers.
Good morning, teachers.
I will take question for the class. School, stand it is. Today's thought.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, teachers. And my dear friends.
No, not to repeat. Not to repeat.
And my dear friends. Myself, Krishna Prasad Nayak. From standard 2. Today I am going to tell you thought of the day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Learn from them and grow. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today's teacher's thought.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody. Again. Good morning.
Thank you.
Sound is coming from them only.
Okay, fine. Dear students, after a long day, minimum 3 years, the pandemic has killed our time and ages. We were good inside the house. But now, after 6 years, the Krishna International School, that is your school, are happy today. And laughing with a loud voice, laughing with the tiny minds of the children. Because Krishna understood, first the problem is there, so that we have to groom ourselves. It is the time to groom up. So students, for you only, now the happy moments are there. All students are attending here, don't get here and there. We are attending. At the time of your time, attending and delivering what you are doing yourself, friends.
One question from my side, from the school side. Clear? Are you happy today?
Yes, sir.
Really, you are happy today?
Yes, sir.
Good. That's good. We have to happy ourselves and we have to study ourselves in a happy mind. Clear? Students, you know that a lazy and idle mind cannot be created for powerful thoughts. Today's thought mind is this one. A lazy and idle mind cannot be created for powerful thoughts. I know that you want to sound not a lazy and idle mind. You have a very punctual mind, sharp mind. So utilize your sharp mind and get your success in your life. First of all, on behalf of the Krishna International School, I welcome you officially to the campus, and I hope all you today mix your class teachers, entertain all the meetings of class with your class teachers, know your class teachers properly and your subject teachers. Lots of programs there we have enjoyed, and the moments, the day to day, we have to make it powerful and happy. Am I right, students?
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
sliding down the window, I like pushing you of your hand, clinching the ribbon of your fingertips as they pass against the hand. Using which I slip away. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a great day.
Today's local chanting.
ସକାଳ ନିମିକା ଶର୍ମା ଦଶମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ଛାତ୍ରୀ ଆଜିର ଶ୍ଲୋକ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରୁଛି ଏବଂ ଆଜିର ଶ୍ଲୋକ ହେଉଛି ଶ୍ରୀମଦ୍ ଭଗବତ ଗୀତା ଚତୁର୍ଥ ଅଧ୍ୟାୟ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଯୋଗ 16ତମ ଶ୍ଲୋକ କିଂକର୍ମକର୍ମେତି କବୟୋ ଯତ୍ର ମୋହିତା ତତ୍ତେ କର୍ମ ପ୍ରବକ୍ଷ୍ୟାମି ପ୍ରଜ୍ଞାତାମୁଖ୍ୟସେ ଶୃଣ୍ୱାତ୍। ଆର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି କର୍ମ କଣ ଓ ଅକର୍ମ କଣ। ବିଜ୍ଞ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏହାର ପ୍ରତିପାଦନ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଇ ଦ୍ୱନ୍ଦ୍ୱରେ ପଡ଼ିଥାନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କର୍ମର ରହସ୍ୟ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିବି, ଯାହାକୁ ଜାଣିଥିବେ ନିଜକୁ ଭୌତିକ ବନ୍ଧନରୁ ମୁକ୍ତ କରିପାରିବ। ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଦିନଟି ମଙ୍ଗଳ ହେଉ।
On behalf of Sky's family, I welcome you in our school. All of you must be thankful to God because this pandemic we have lived and we have gathered the strength within us. So it is because of the power of God. And if we forget that children, we will not achieve success in our life. So, first you close your eyes for 1 second. Let the God listen to your prayer. All of you close your eyes for 1 second.
All of you close your eyes.
Oh God, you are great. You are all. We are surrendering ourselves near your feet. Please bless us. Thank you, children.
To our respected principal sir, to come on the stage and welcome to the students and newcomers. Sir.
Respected teachers, respected admin, respected parents and guardians, all the well-wishers, my special respect towards all the drivers of the school, my respect towards all the housekeeping people, my respect towards kitchen staff, both the hostel wardens. For them only, you all arrived here safely. I enjoyed your welcome ceremony today. Honestly, I am very proud of all the staff members of our school because they did it in an excellent way. I request all of you to give a big round of applause to all of them. I found a lot of cutie pies today in the morning. They are the newcomers. It is the very first day of their school in the school. I would like to give thanks to Standard 10 and 12 girls, the way they welcome to the newcomers. They were crying, teachers were there, they are welcoming near the gate, but the girls' child of Standard 10, they were hugging them, they were taking care of them, which is really praiseworthy. So big hand for Standard 10 and 12 girls and boys as well. Not only I welcome to all the students to the school, I welcome to all the teachers, all the official staffs, all the housekeeping people, including your kitchen staff, hostel wardens. First, I welcome all of them to this new session 2022-23. I hope this year we'll be achieving a lot by taking oath near the God, that God please bless us, give us the right path, give us the right way to develop ourselves, always keep blessings on us, by which we'll be always top, we'll feel alone at the top level. I welcome all of you again to this campus for the new session. Thank you all. God bless you.
All of you come back to Sabbath question and start the ending prayer. School, Saturdays.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
First of all, we have to maintain discipline and remain silent. After our respected principal sir comes, then I will start the program. But before that, we are in which school now? We are in Sri Krishna International School. We are under Lord Krishna. Yes or no? Now, Krishna, 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 Krishna. Universe, this entire world, that earth, water, land, sunshine. This earth, the land, water, and sunshine. It is the magic. That is the thought process, thinking process. As God thought, it is made. You are the best of the whole universe. You are the best of the whole universe. Krishna, 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 Krishna. Our respected principal sir has already arrived. We have to start the program. And my dear students, we have gathered today. Why so? To welcome you all. Some are new, some are old, but no one is new, if I will tell, because already we have entered the campus. We have become old now in this atmosphere, because we are under Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna will save you, will give you all the happiness what you want. Now, I would like to request our respected principal sir to speak a few lines to you. Sir, please.
Good morning, everyone. All of you keep quiet and listen to what I am saying at last. You shout or you clap, we will see that part. Now all of you, be silent. Listen to carefully what I am saying. Clear? सब parent guardian ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ନମସ୍କାର. I welcome each and everyone to the school in the session 22-23. Hope all of you are fine after a long gap, and I am immensely happy to get all of you inside the campus. I am feeling very sorry for the disturbance, today's disturbance particularly. Transport problem was there. Only one route actually found problem, and I am planning to check it out today itself, and tomorrow night there will be no mistake at all. If at all you all face any problem, to the parents particularly I am saying, if at all you face any problem, tomorrow night you will not be facing. Then students, new and old, all of you are new for me today. What you have to obey in the campus, that I am going to say you. Listen me carefully. If you will not be silent, then I will not say a single word. All of you, hey boys, sit there. So listen. when you are coming out from your home every day, you touch the feet of your parents, then come from the school. It is the first ethics of our school. When you are coming out from your home, touch the feet of your parents, then come to school. When you are entering into the campus, do pranam to Lord Ganesh in our lobby. When you are entering to your classroom, touch the feet of your teacher. How you will do, I will show you. Now you see, when you are touching, when you are coming from your home, come in the circle. When you are coming from your home, starting after wearing the uniform, you have to touch the feet of your parents. Now you see, now Parminder sir, how he is here. You have to touch because in this way, if you will touch it now, the blessings which will come from your parents, in that you will be a good human being. Same way you have to touch the feet of your teachers also. Second thing, second ethics, don't shout on public places. If you have any problem, talk to your class teacher. They will solve it. If they are not solving, come to vice principal sir. The problem will be solved out. Problem will not be there. If you are saying it on field or on assembly basis or on your classroom or in any public places, you are deteriorating yourself, you are defaming yourself, you will not be called as a good human being in future. Here our teachers will teach you how to be a good human being. Bhala manishta kinte hao. If you show your angerness, if you show your negativeness on public places, no one is going to listen to you. Your teachers are there to listen to your problems, to solve your problems. If it will not be solved in their level, your Govinda sir is there to solve it. If he can't, then come to me, then and there I will solve it. If you are the toilet, you will shout. If you shout on the field, if you shout near the upper field, who will listen to you? Always be honest, be transparent, respect to your teachers, respect to your elders, respect to your parents and guardians, then you will be a good human being in your life. Problems will come in your life. Life is full of problems. Sometimes you are unable to understand what the teachers are teaching. You ask them repeatedly. You raise your hand. On your place by sitting, you raise your hand. Your teacher will go to you to ask what's your doubt, what problem you are facing in the classroom. If by sitting on your chair, on your place, you will say, sir, I am not understanding, who will listen to you? For you, another 19 students will be disturbed. If you shout inside your class, another 19 students will be disturbed for you. You should be a reason for happiness. You should not be the reason for any type of rubbish things. I don't like at all. I don't like the rubbish things. Be a good man always. Always be honest. Try to say the truth. God will bless you always. You learn from your elders. If you will show your love and affection to your elders, they will show their love and affection to you. It is just vice versa, just the opposite. First you desire, then you deserve. So now I hope all of you will enjoy a lot over here because our teachers did something for you by the help of some of the senior students. You will enjoy over here. From 2nd of April or from 4th of April, your quota-based teaching will start from grade 6 onwards, 6 to 12. Resonance classes, you might be knowing. Both parallel NCERT and integrated coaching will be going on. Because we want to give you the best in the school itself. Still I am saying you again, if you are not understanding the resonance teaching or NCERT teaching by our teachers, you can see me. You are always free to me. During your school hour, you can come to me directly. If you are unable to speak me during the school hour, you can call me because my phone number is there, always there with all of you. You talk to me directly. Sir, we are unable to understand. I will call the resonance teacher or our teacher to your parents. That means on the meeting you will sit, your parent will sit, resonance teacher will sit, and the NCERT teacher will sit. I will listen to everyone. If I will find the fault of resonance teachers, he will be no more with me. If you will find the mistake of the NCERT teachers, they will not be with me. If I will find the mistake with you, then I will see you. Because I need the result. I need you to be strong in your academics. I need you achieve your target, you achieve your goal. No compromise on academics. Because 2 years we suffered a lot. Online classes. Sometimes teachers were saying that the network problem, network issue, weather problem, weather issue. Sometimes you are saying I am at uncle's house, I am at auntie's house. My network is out of order, my mobile is not working. You are switching off your videos. I was not getting any information from neither from your side nor from teacher side. But as physical classes is commencing from today onwards, so physical contact will be there, eye contact will be there. I will be happy to listen from you all. And I request to the parents, if your child is facing any problem, if they are complaining you, if they are saying you, give me a call. My number is with you. Directly you give me a call. If at all I will not receive your call, don't take it, otherwise I will call back you after 10 o'clock. Usually I used to reach at home at 10 o'clock. 10 to 11 I used to call back. I will be calling you back to know your problems. Your cooperation in all those regards will be appreciable by me. Thank you, thanks a lot, God bless you. Enjoy your day. I am feeling sorry, I have to go to office due to some official works in this works. So the program will be.
So, my loving students, they have prepared a very beautiful welcome song for you all. Let us hear to them. All of you join the stage.
मन के बिना से पूजते ध्वनि मंगल
Hello students. Good morning to everyone. Especially on behalf of Sixteen family, my work regards to all the parents, guardians are present over here. Respected principal sir, respected vice principal sir, respected my dear teachers and loving children. One thing, we now concluded one song here, Swagatam. Isn't it? Our students now sing very beautiful song, Swagatam. So means you can understand, आजिकाले आम घरे आ स्वागत करा घरे आम लिखते गेट पाखे कुकुर प्रति स्वागत माने किए आसी आम घर बट दिस प्लेस इज वेरी डिवाइन प्लेस वी आर congratulating you all of you and after completing of COVID-19 we understood that there is only two places for the human being to exist. One is home, second one is school. You see, in last COVID-19, everything is banned to go even also temple, also holy places. In that we understood God is within us, that is in our house is temple. And second temple is school, learning temple. So for students, two types of parents are there. One parents, there is in their home, second parents in the school. So a student having two parents, that students never face any problem at all. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଅତୀତରେ ଆମ ଘର ଆଗରେ ଲେଖାଯାଉଥିଲା ଯେ ଶୁଭ ଲାଭ ସେ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ତ କାଟିଦେଲେ ତାପରେ ଲେଖିଲେ ସ୍ୱାଗତମ୍ ତାପରେ କେହି ଆମର ଅତିଥି ଆସିବେ ତାଙ୍କର ଆମେ ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚା କରୁଥିଲେ ଏବେ ଆମର ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଯଦି କିଏ ଅତିଥି ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ଖାଇବେ ଲଞ୍ଚ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ପହଞ୍ଚନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଲଞ୍ଚ ତିଆରି ହେବ ନା ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିବା ସେ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ହୋଟେଲ ସାଇଡ଼୍ରେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ହୋଟେଲ ଅଛି ସେଠି 50 ଟଙ୍କାରେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଭେଜ୍ ମିଲ୍ସ ମିଳିବ So this system, as a Oriya or as a Hindu, we have already disturbed. But the Sikhistan school has stepped forward to teach each and every child culture, custom and tradition of this Jagannath Sanskrit. The early morning, the school begins with Omkaram, Veda chanting, with assembly, and also we finish the day works. With evening prayer, Gita Sloka learning weekly once and yoga teachings with all other cultural activities. So nowadays, this corona teaches us to learn be a man. Everybody wants prize, prestige and property, everyone. But if we run after this 3P, we can't reach and can become a man. ଯେତେବେଳେ ମଧୁବାବୁଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାଟି ଗଲା ଚାକିରି କରିବା ବୋଲି ଯେ ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ଚରିତ୍ର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ମଧୁ ଲେଖିଲେ ତା ପର୍ସନ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ଅମକ ଅମକ ପିତା ଅମକ ଅମକ ଜଣେ ମଣିଷ ସେଥିରେ ସେ ସନ୍ତୁଷ୍ଟ ହେଲାନି ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଥାନ୍ତି ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ୍ ପର୍ସନ୍ ନାଇସ୍ ୱାନ୍ ସେ ସବୁ ଦିସ୍ ଅର୍ଣ୍ଣାମେଣ୍ଟ having a human being, Manish Pagas ornament achi, no need to explain. That is the difference between animal and human being. What is the difference? Animal never desires, never asks, never think. We, the human being, desire, think and ask. That is why we pray to God every day for individual fulfilling. We never pray to development of our personality, to development of our inner quality. We are looking externally as a human being, but inside we are one wild being, wild animal. So if you want to be a transformation, so education is important one. You know, when freedom struggle started, Bal Gangadhar told, freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. But freedom means education. Education is my birthright. Education begins with the freedom and ends with the character. शिक्षा मूल मंत्र होची चरित्र गठन. If you have education, you have the largest ornaments in the world. That is the treasure, hidden treasure. You can acquire everything. This school having such kinds of platform, teachers from different faculties around the clock, they are serving your students to make a man. So to become man, children, we have to follow 3 principles. First, you have to control your tongue, not to talk unnecessarily. Let's talk. Our Vedas speaking, monovakya. If you control your tongue, then automatically you can control your mind. If you control your mind, your 5 sense organs will control itself. Then you can achieve your destination. Those are talking unnecessarily, they are wasting their physical energy, spiritual energy and mental energy. We know when we are reading class nursery, LKG, UKG, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, like this. But this institution explains in other way. That is, we teach A for apple as well as A for Arjun, the best students of Lord Krishna. From Arjun we can learn. Because of Arjun, the divine gift we are getting, that is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, B for Bhagavad Gita. Here we are practicing every student to learn Bhagavad Gita, the important human theory of this human civilization. Likewise, we are teaching C for what you can tell C for in Vedic. No one C for who can tell in Vedic. A for Arjun, B for Bhagavad Gita, C for Chanakya, the best teacher in the history, who teaches the use of economics, Arthashastra. D for Dronacharya, the best teacher, who is the important award who given to Arjun to make a world famous archer. Like this. So nowadays they are running after material needs, which is useless. No need for us. If a person become a good person, something the society needs. When APJ Abdul Kalam died, the former president of India, he has nothing except his one bed where he was sleeping with the one box. So, dear children, education if we learn, all of your requirements will be satisfied. You can get everything. And you have 2 important powers like a nuclear atom bomb. One side is teacher, another side is parents. So every day we have to remember them as like Pitru Deva Bhava, Matru Deva Bhava, Acharya Deva Bhava, Atiti Deva Bhava. D for again coming Dhruva. Dhruva who is known as a star in the sky and he feels the existence of God everywhere. So this day, with all the dates in the future, for you the students be a happy and prosperous way. Once again I extend my thanks to dear parents and guardians, those are here. We are with you and you also extend your warm feelings with us, and in future we will see a new environment, new age, new atmosphere. Thank you all. Have a good day.
For your valuable work. Actually, children, we have to believe in God, and Krishna has told, you do your work, believe in God, result is not in your hand. But still we will not lose our hope for the result. We will work hard, think of God, and who will come to you at the end. one beautiful dance prepared by Pragya and Aishi, student of standard 9, and how they are doing the performance. Let us enjoy that one. Pragya and Aishi come to the stage with Ditun sir.
Thank
we have enjoyed a lot, and this is what Sri Krishna is. Let us come to know the rules and regulations of Sri Krishna International School. Here I have to invite our respected Vice Principal Sir to make him aware of our administration and how the academic everything is running here. Sir, please.
Good morning, Honorable President. So, my dear students, have you enjoyed the program? This info I need every time, in every moment in the school. Before starting to say something, my pranam to all my parents. Those are sitting in the back, enjoying the programs. My dear parents, from today onwards, this school is yours. This Sri Krishna International School campus is yours. As your children is in the school, we may the mentors, but school is yours. Respected Principal Sir, though due to a busy schedule, he is in his chamber. All my respected teachers, my lovable children. First of all, I request those are standing, the students, please sit there. And my teachers also, please take your seat for few minutes. Before saying some things, my request to any parents, if anybody want few lines to my children today, you are most welcome to the stage, please sir or madam. Anybody if you want say 2, 3, 4 lines to my children, you are most welcome to the stage. Anybody, please. Sir or madam, stage is yours, school is yours, and your blessings is highly required for my children. Anybody? Any of the parents? Okay, fine. I know that your silent blessings, your silent observations to the schools definitely give us a boost to encourage the students to reach the Sri Krishnans in a high level of achievement. Not only the studies only, but only the manners and also the behavior of the children. I know that some children are admitted this year and some children are before the year but they are in online. But today all are newcomers for us. And the old students those are with us, they are also newcomers today because they are also 2 years staying in the home. Only we have seen them by the mobiles. I will not say a lot of things, I will not welcome you because already welcome finished. May this program is welcome ceremony. Welcome is already finished. But dear students, 2 lines to you people. All my dear students, please attention towards me. Dear students, silent please. All remain silent. Very nice. Put fingers in your mouth. This is great. Dear students, 2 things I will say to you. When you are coming to school, don't come in a sad mood. Always with a smiling face, enter your classroom. Got it clear? When you are coming to school and classroom, enter in a smiling face. Give a smile respect towards your teachers. Your teacher is ready to accept you in the classrooms. Be attentive in the classrooms and attend the teachers what they are teaching. As principal sir said before, If you have any doubts in the classrooms, raise your hands, ask to the teachers. Teachers will go to you to ask about your doubts. Then and there your problem will be solved and clear your doubts by your teachers. Discipline is not a rules. Discipline is a part of our heart. If I want to be disciplined, then no one can disturb me. If I am self-disturbed, then no one can make me silent and disturb me. Got it clear? So discipline is there in our mind and our heart. We will always try to be in discipline everywhere. In classroom, in playground, in dining, in everywhere. Any functions, we have to maintain discipline by ourselves. That is our motto. The motto of Sri Krishna International School is to be a good human being in your life. To be a good human being in your life. How to be a good human being? Sir, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Who is the Guru? Who is the teachers? Guru, the first Guru, your lovable and respected mother, should touch the feet of mother every morning when you are woke up in the bed. Your second Guru is your father. The God has given you living gods in your house, but we people are not thinking about it. We are taking the pleas and advantages of their labor and their efforts, but we are not thinking about their care for us. Like God excuses every fault of yours, they are excusing everything of yours. So, my dear children, we have to obey first your parents. We have to touch the feet of the parents, and these blessings makes us a good human being in our life. Then when you are coming to school, your third Guru, your Guru, who is teaching you about the lessons, who is teaching about the content knowledge of the chapters, who is teaching you about all the curricular activities of life. They are the teachers. You have to respect. You have to touch the feet of your teachers. Now the question arises in English medium schools, why sir is telling about touching the feet of the parents, teachers, why not good morning, good evening, good afternoon? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon makes a gap in between us. We are extract from the loving things from us, but the touching things makes the closer relationship in between us. When you are going to touch the feet, even if myself, when I am going to touch the feet of my mother, she always says, don't touch my feet. Not required. My love and affection is always with you. Whatever you may be, but my love and affection is there with you. A mother love and affection is for everybody in this world. We may be human beings, we may be animals, we may be birds, every year. But still, the mother's blessing is the great power of yours. You can get any success in your life by the blessings of mothers and the fathers. So, my dear parents, I request you, please put these plants in your house, not only for the showing of this, but also the cultural state of mind of the children development. Then day by day people should come to the schools, and you know that from assembly how we are coming in a line to the dining. In the dining, teachers are there with you, and when you are complete the breakfast of yours or lunch, you will go again line-wise to your respective classrooms. Your LKG classroom teachers, you will be very much acquainted with your Rajasri Madam. She is a very loving and care teacher. All here loving and care teachers. No one will give you punishment here except me. Sorry, I am saying. The only one man here who is giving you going to punishment. Which type of punishment? Which type of punishment? The punishment for writing 20 pages in a day, 50 maths songs in a day, you have to do and come the next day. This punishment must be with you. I have to give. When you will do some mistakes in the classrooms and other places. Ask your teachers any doubt they can clear up. If any teacher is saying, no, I cannot clear your doubts, come to me. The room number 3, Vice Principal room is always open for all the students and all the parents. For academics, you can come anytime to me and discuss with me for the development of children. I request all my teachers and the parents, you be a cordial relationship in between you for the development of the children so that it is better. We can think of lot of activities there in the schools, but the activities is for the some type of the physical exercise to develop our physical body part and all. But for the reasons what we have come in the school is to study, to learn everything. Learning is a lifelong process. I am learning, all teachers are learning, you will also learn here, and we will together learning some things. Then the learning gives us success. Definitely, I will tell to you, it's my advice to the children, you have to obey your teachers by any means. You have to obey your subject teachers, class teachers by any means. If you will be alert, if you will be ready, then everything will come back. Lot of program is there, lot of function is there. I am just converting my speech to the Odia. ओडिशार जिते सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम में घरे पालन करना श्रीकृष्ण स्कूल पालन करवा से रथयात्रा हो, जन्माष्टमी हो, रक्षाबंधन हो, बोईत बंधन हो, आम तक श्रीकृष्ण प्रांगण में ही आम मान मिसिकी पालन करवा जिते एक्टिविटी अच्छे टीचर मान साहय करवा किंतु at the end of the time, you have to 4 results are there. This time from 6 to 12, weekly evaluation report. Your resonance teacher is coming for the integrated classes, and weekly test will be there of the chapters, and weekly report will be provided to the parents. For up to standard 5, abacus will be introduced this time, and for 6 to 12, robotics also I am planning to introduce this time. So my dear students, these things will be required in our life, but important is how to maintain discipline in our life, how to make me a great student of life. So at last I will say, if you are students of the class, be a student. Be a student in your life. If you can be a student in life and feel proud, I am a student of class 6, class 7, class 8, class 9, class 10 like this, then only you can learn this chapter, subjects, everything. If you will not think that you are a student of your life, then only you cannot learn anything. Now your best friend is your mobile in your home. My dear students, from today onwards, take a vow with me. Forget the mobiles, what you are using last 2 years. The instrument which is helpful for you, taking online class, now deteriorate your career. Online में study कम, fast ज़्यादा. Online में study कम, fast ज़्यादा. It's like a profession. I'll say that. Being a teacher, when I am teaching online classes, after my periods, I am feeling very same. What I have taught my students today. My students are not learning anything. His mobile is switched off. His mobile video off. So like this is not a study, but now we are in physical contact of the classes. Your eye is with me, my eye is with you. Doing good things, appreciation comes to you. but doing bad things, it is not to be appreciated by any manners by anybody else. So, I will not take more time of yours. As it is welcome day, from tomorrow onwards you will all get your timetable today by the class teachers or by the class groups of yours. From tomorrow onwards classes will be going on proper on time. And at last I will say all of my dear teachers and my dear parents and my dear children, by the cooperation of all, we can make a child to be a good human being in our life. Do all you want to be a human being in your life or not? At last I will say one thing. Don't think I am the vice principal of the school. I am your teacher, mentor, guide, friends, philosopher, everything. And all teachers are like that. You can encourage, you can enjoy this one by your life. So if student will be a friend of a teacher, I 100% assure you, nothing can be come in our difficulty in our life. The difficulty is automatically come. And I will not take more time. I request all my teachers up to standard 3. So that after going here, they will enjoy the activity hall with the melodious song and rhymes and everything today. And standard 4 to onwards, respective class teachers with the students, encouragement of the students, entertainment, like you introduce yourself, teacher will introduce you, you take the number of the teachers, teacher you take the WhatsApp number of the parents, add them in the class groups, so that the communication will be proper. And from tomorrow onwards, I think there is no problem at all. And whatever the transport problem today arises because the past 2-3 days it will be happens, but then it will be better. Thank you. Have a nice day all of you. Again I am saying, school is yours. You come, you discuss, and develop the English International School at the top of the high innovation. Thank you. Have a nice day all of you. Bye.
That is the homely atmosphere. Just you will not feel alone, children. As you are in the home with your parents, like that, you will be guided by the teachers as your parents. So this is the difference between other schools and our school. Okay, children, let us now hear a beautiful poem that is composed by our senior Odia teacher, dear Narasimha sir. Sir, please recite the poem.
ଏପରି ସ୍ୱାଗତ ଉତ୍ସବରେ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଦୁଇ ପଦ ଗୀତଟିଏ। सुस्वागतम स्वागतम है कल्याणीय, सुस्वागतम स्वागतम है कल्याणीय, तुम चला पथे प्रभु जगन्नाथ, वर्षन्तु कुसुम जय, विद्यादाता गणेश माता सरस्वती, तुमको सदा सदय सुस्वागतम स्वागतम है कल्याणीय, ए पुण्यावसरे हेउ अविस्मर, ए पुण्यावसर हेउ अविस्मर, तुम शुभागमनीय, चिकित्सक हेब सेवा हि करिब, भूली जाति धर्मचय, যন্ত্রী ভাবনাকু মনরে রখিব, দেশ গঠনে বিজয়, রাজনেতা হেব দেশকু ছাড়িব, গান্ধীকু করিব জেয়, সুস্বাগতম স্বাগতম হে কল্যাণীয়, সুস্বাগতম স্বাগতম হে কল্যাণীয়, ক্লাঞ্চ খচ মিছ বিপক্ষে যুদিন, সর্বদা হেব বিজয়, দেশ গঠনে সমর্পিত হেব, স্বার্থীকু করিল জয়, শিক্ষা অনুষ্ঠান শ্রীকৃষ্ণ প্রাঙ্গণ, শিক্ষা অনুষ্ঠান শ্রীকৃষ্ণ প্রাঙ্গণ, তুম পাই রমণীয়, সুস্বাগতম স্বাগতম হে কল্যাণীয়, জনক জননী দেব সমমণি, জনক জননী দেব সমমণি, আদেশ পালনীয়, গুরু ব্রহ্মা বিষ্ণু দেব মহেশ্বর, অয়রে রখিব লয়, গুরু আশিষরে জ্ঞান লাভ করি, সর্বত্র হেব বিজয়, সুস্বাগতম স্বাগতম হে কল্যাণীয়, কর্ম অটে ধর্ম কর্ম ঈশ্বর, বিশ্বে কর্ম পূজনীয়, সৎকর্ম করি সমাজ গড়িব, তুমে হেব সম্মানীয়, শ্রীকৃষ্ণান্তর্জাতিক বিদ্যালয় অটে তুম শিক্ষালয়, সুস্বাগতম স্বাগতম হে কল্যাণীয়, স্বাগতম হে কল্যাণীয়, স্বাগতম হে কল্যাণীয়।
Thank you, sir. Children, I am not taking much of your time. Before we come to an end, I would like to tell you one thing. Up to standard 3, you will go to your activity room guided by your respective teachers. 4, 5 will go to their class, and 6 onwards they will go to upstairs guided by their class teachers. Thank you all. Now I would like to request our dear Pranati ma'am to speak a few lines. Sit down, children. 2 minutes. Please sit down. Please be seated. I wish a very good morning to our honorable principal sir, vice principal, all our respected parents, my dear colleagues, and loving children. So here, I feel proud to get this opportunity to say some things here.
say many thanks to all of you again. Now one announcement. From today onwards, our Krishna Amrit channel. There is a channel is there of our school, Krishna Amrit channel, where you can get all the type of teachings by the teachers, beautiful thoughts, morals, and life value stories by principal sir, by me, and all other stakeholders. And you can get a lot of things. From today onwards, you can just in YouTube channel, you can install it and subscribe it for the more subscriptions. But already we started 2 years back, but due to the pandemic we have stopped it. But from today onwards, it will again continue. You can see the classroom situation of the students of yours in the YouTube channel of Krishna Amrit. Thank you. Now I just tell to all the teachers of standard 6 to standard 12, with your children, you can go to your respective classrooms for introduction, and standard nursery to 5 you may remain here for any other program, dance of and the teachers you accompany the students. Nursery to standard 5 or the 6 to onwards you can go to your classrooms likewise with your class teachers. And parents, you may enjoy the programs of the children. No problem.
Teachers and move to your respective classes.
आगू देखो